Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Now we have discussing about the basic concepts of organic chemistry. So let's start. The first one is the bond fusion. The organic reactions usually involves making and the breaking of covalent bonds. The fissions of covalent bonds can take place in two ways. First one is the homolytic bond fissions, and the second is heterolytic bond fission system. Homolytic bond fission systems, the cleavage of the covalent bonds take place in such a way that each bonded atoms retain one electrons of the shared pairs. Retain means the positions of one electrons of shared pairs. This is the symmetrical fissions and leads to the formations of the neutral species having the unpaired electrons. These species are called the free radicals. The free radicals are denoted by putting a dot over the symbols of atoms or the groups of atoms. जब symbols of atoms and the groups of atoms पे जब dot से represent करेंगे तो these are called the free radical systems. The single electrons movement is shown by the half-headed covered arrows. So this one is the free radical system. Second is definitions according to the heterolytic bond fission system. Heterolytic bond fissions is unsymmetrical in this covalent bond is broken in such a way that one of the fragment take both of the electrons of the pair, leaving none on the others. This results into two charged particles. One has the 6 of electrons, has the process a positive charge, while the other has a complete octet of electrons with at least one lone pair of electrons, thus possess a negative charge. So the 16 of electron systems has a positive charge and the octet systems are basically negative charge. The species that have the 16 of electrons have a positive charge is called the carbocations, also the carbonium ions. The other one has a lone pairs of electrons are the complete octet of electrons having a negative charge is called the carbanion ions. So this one are the basically reactions according to the heterolytic fission systems and the homolytic fission systems according to their free radical systems. Free radicals can be defined as an atoms and groups of atoms having an unpaired electron. These are produced during a homolytic fissions of a covalent bonds. So it means a free radical according to atoms and groups of atoms, unpaired of electrons. System किस पे depend कर रहा है? Homolytic fissions of covalent bonds पे depend कर रहा है और homolytic fission किस पे depend करता है हमारा free radical system में. According to this, reactions are basically characterized for the dissociations of chlorine or gas molecules in the presence of ultraviolet light produce chlorine-free radicals as shown in below. So the chlorine-free radicals are reaction for the ultraviolet light in the presence of heat of reactions. So the dissociations molecules क्या हो रहे हैं? Dissociate हो रहे हैं. So the chlorine-free radicals में. So the equilibrium is still lost of undissociated chlorine is present and the further more dissociations is break of the chlorine molecules. Net increase in the number of free radicals, these reactions are called the initiations of reactions. Free radicals, stability of free radicals, the order of stability of alkyl free radicals according to their alkyl groups is very low comparatively the 1 degree, 2 degree and the tertiary systems. Stability of free radicals. This order of stability can be explained on the basis of hyperconjugation system. Larger the number of alkyl group attached to the carbon atoms carrying the odd electrons, greater is the delocalizations of odd electrons and hence the more stable in the free radicals. So it means larger number of alkyl group attached for the carbon atoms. जितने ज़्यादा odd electron होंगे, greater the delocalization and odd electrons, hence the more stable of the free radical systems. From the alkanes, free radical halogenation systematically, जो भी आप synthetically करें या systematically इसको generate करें, useful on a certain cases. Examples हमारे क्या हैं? According to halogenations of reactions में हो रही है in a free radical formation. So the first one is a 2-bromo, 2-methyl butane, and the second one is 2-chloro-dichloro butane, and the third one is 2,2-dibromopentane for the relationship according to alkene system. And the alkene systems are basically generated for the free radical halogenation system. Carbocations, it is defined as a groups of atoms that contain a positively charged carbon atoms having only 6 electrons in the valence shell. So the carbocations are basically defined as positively charged and having 6 electrons in their valence shell. Earlier, the carbocations was also known as the carbonium ions. They are obtained by the heterolytic fissions of covalent bonds. The carbocations are also defined as the primary, secondary, and the tertiary depending upon the 2, 3 atoms, 1, 2, 3 atom systems is attached to the carbon atoms bearing the positive charge as shown in below, according to their stability order, which in one is the stable, which one is the least stable carbon atoms. So the tertiary are comparatively, the stability is very high, and it means that it is more stable, secondary, primary, and the methyl group is the least stable system. Thus, the relatively of stability order according to 3 degree is very high, comparatively the 2 degree, and the 1 degree comparatively the 2 degree is less. So the methyl attachment is a very least stable system according to the carbocation. So the carbonium ions, the carbanions may be defined as a species containing a carbon atoms carrying a negative charge and possess 8 electrons in their valence shells, comparatively the carbocation system. These are the generated by the heterolytic fission systems of covalent bond involving carbon atoms in which the atoms linked to the carbon goes without the bonding electron systems. A result of this carbon acquires a negative charge when the group attached to a carbon atom leaves without electron pairs, methyl carbanion is formed. According to this systems is the least stability, and this one is the most stability, and the carbanion ion systems are basically defined as the methyl group stability. According to their system is very high comparatively the 1 degree, 2 degree, and the 3 degree system. Difference between the electrophiles and the nucleophiles. Electrophiles, they are electron-rich species. Comparatively, the nucleophiles, they are electron-deficient species. They accept an electron pairs of covalent bonds and formations. Comparatively, the nucleophile, they denote the electron pairs of for covalent bonds formations. Electrophiles, they are also called the Lewis acids, and the nucleophiles, they are also called the Lewis bases. They are positively charged on a neutral species. They are negatively charged on a neutral species. Electrophiles, they include all the cations. Nucleophiles, they include all the carbanion ions. Electrophiles, they are noticed by the positive charge and the neutral charge with empty orbitals. Comparatively, the nucleophiles, they are noticed by alone pairs, pi bonds, and the negative charge. Electrophiles, they take part of electrophilic additions and electrophilic substitution reactions. Comparatively, the nucleophile, they take part for the nucleophilic additions and the nucleophilic substitution reactions. According to their differentiations between the electrophiles and the nucleophile reactions for the electrophiles and the nucleophiles. Nucleophiles lone pair is attached to the chlorine lone pairs. So the formation of a Lewis acids, which is called the pure electrophiles, comparatively the chlorine, which is attached for the lone pairs, which is called the poor nucleophiles. So this means the Lewis acids and the Lewis base system, according to Bronsted-Lowry's acid and base equations, according to acid is H plus donor and the base is H plus acceptor systems. So the formation of Lewis acids and the Lewis base according to Bronsted-Lowry of acids and the Bronsted-Lowry of base. So the formations of Lewis base and the Lewis acids, which is called the Bronsted-Lowry of base and the Bronsted-Lowry of acids. These are the references. Thank you.